As a reliability engineer, part of my job is to evaluate the equipment health, to do field troubleshooting, to investigate failures, and to recommend upgrades. One of our challenges is lubrication on a high-pressure reciprocating compressor. We expect this lubricant to perform well in the frame and running gear, and also in the cylinder that's exposed to the process. They are different. The process application, it's exposed to high temperatures, light petroleum products, so it can't be diluted or be washed off in a cylinder wall, but it also has to help support the loads in the equipment bearings. So in the past, we've used a PAG oil inside of the cylinder specifically.
So I've been working in the refinery for 15 years. So my role now is in central maintenance as we kind of manage all the support groups in the refinery. Compressors are critical for hydrogen services and hydrotreaters. A good lubricant is essential to prevent issues that could affect both machines. So we use CompressorGard in our hydrogen makeup compressors, and that is supporting our hydrocracker. If they go down, the unit operation would stop. In the past on this particular machine, we've tried different oils with different properties and consistently have had similar issues to the oil polymerizing inside the machine, which is causing the machine to break down. When that oil would polymerize inside the cylinder, that causes issues with lubrication of the rider bands and the piston rings of the cylinder itself, and it also would cause problems with the compressor valves.
We also used another product that had a barium component to it. This was toxic to humans and the environment. It would end up fouling our valves and it would lead to a short life.
So I've been handling the CITGO refinery for over 30 years now. This problem showed itself years ago. It was a nasty polymer looking product that was clogging up the valve seats and the valves. The unicracker was coming down about every 2 or 3 months with having to replace the valves. These guys were losing up to $200,000 per day.
So in 2012, we started to experiment with the CompressorGard XA-200, and we implemented it in one machine and slowly integrated that to all the machines in the refinery. Every equipment breakdown costs us money to fix it, and it adds risk to the refinery of not having that machine available. We needed an oil that would be able to lubricate the main bearings in the frame, which is seeing ambient type conditions, to maybe a little bit higher, to a high pressure cylinder that's compressing gas from 1,000 to 2,000 pounds, starting at about 100 degrees to up to 250 degrees.
We worked with the CITGO technical team on numerous solutions to eliminate this problem. We finally came up with the XA-200, the CITGO technical teams, and worked with their maintenance and their reliability group on getting this product in, and have had great success ever since it's been running.
We're starting to see valve life in the order of 2 years, 2.5 years now.
It's kind of the challenge to find that oil that can do all of those things. CompressorGard XA-200 did all of that for us. We went from celebrating a week of runtime to now a year or more of runtime.
We've been able to use it in the frame and the running gear. This is our main bearings and our crossheads. It allows us to use the same oil in both locations, which would prevent any kind of compatibility issues or getting them swapped, which could potentially lead to downtime.
I've been with Breaux for the last 8 years. Breaux Petroleum has been in business for over 100 years. We've been able to expand our industrial offerings that goes into filtration, flushing, dehydration, engineering services, oil sampling. So products like the CompressorGard XA-200 have allowed us to do this. So some of the challenges we face handling the Lake Charles refinery is the environment itself. It's 30 miles from the Gulf of Mexico, which is extremely tough on everything with the salt air, with the high humidity, the high temperatures. Some of the ways that we partner with our customers like the Lake Charles refinery is that our employees understand the importance of bringing clean lubricants out to the plant, applying them correctly, being able to work with the engineers and the operators out in the field to make sure that these guys are getting good, clean product at the right place. We have over 70 tanks strategically located around the refinery that we go on a daily basis and check and monitor. That can be anywhere from turbine oils to R&O oils, gear oils, and greases. Since using the CompressorGard XA-200, instead of changing the valves every 2 to 3 months, they've extended that out years to 2 years plus without any kind of change outs. So it saves them hundreds of thousands of dollars per day in keeping this equipment up and running. Key to being a good partner is having a customer that'll share their pain points with you so you can help eliminate it.
When we switched to CompressorGard, all our problems went away.